Friends, I am coming back again with my second part of the same chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So in the last video I am just talking about the introduction of the chapter. Now in this part I am talking about the matter and its classification. So as we studied in our 9th 10th class also, that the matter is what? Anything that is defined as the something or anything that occupies space, possesses mass, and offers resistance to any stress applied on it. Means what? The something or anything that has some mass and occupies some space, like as what? Water, air, plastic, rubber, etc., all are categorized as matter. Now as we know that all the substances have two types of properties, and these properties are taken as the physical properties as well as the chemical properties. The properties like as for the shape, hardness, melting point, boiling point, etc. are termed as the physical properties, and the properties like the reaction towards oxygen means air, water, and various acids, bases and their nature are termed as what? The chemical properties. So on the basis of these two properties, the substances are categorized in different categories. So I'm discussing about the substances can be classified based on the physical properties into three main groups. That is what? The solid, liquid and gases. But in 9th class we have also studied about that the substances can be classified on 5 groups. That is what? The solids, liquid, gases, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. But here I am not discussing about, or we are not discussing about the next two states of matter. So I am here only discussing about these three states because in our further classes we have to concentrate on these three categories. So basically the solid in which the particles are closely packed, means what? The particles are tightly closely packed and bounded by the strong interparticular attraction, and they show rigidity. The melting point is high, the boiling point is high, and much more properties shown by the particles. Now in case of liquids, the particles are loosely packed and bounded by weak forces than those of the solids. Means what? In case of liquid, the interparticular space of space is higher, but the force is weaker as compared to the solid particles. Now this type of solids which makes it mobile, shapeless. Means what? We can say the liquids are shapeless. They can occupy the shape in which they are kept, and they are mobile, means they can move. Now here last is what? The gases. The particles separated from each other, means what? The interparticular space is much more higher than comparison with solids or liquids, and they have the greater distances between the particles. They are again shapeless like is what? The liquids, and they are highly compressible as we compare with the liquids or solid. So on the basis of these properties we can classify the substances or matter in these three groups, that is solids, liquids and gases. And we also studied in 9th class also that these three states are interconvertible. Means what? We can convert the solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or gas is directly converted to solid, or the solid is directly converted to liquids by provide the heat or by cooling them. So we will continue this topic, that is what? The conversion or interconversion of solid, liquid or gases in the next part number 3. That's all from this video. Hopefully we will continue next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.